Hello Church, Matt here. I wanted to take a few moments of your time and give you a little bit more detailed tutorial of how to, number one, access and check your personal information and update it if needed, and also give you a bit of a tutorial on how to access the members directory as well, so that you can contact other people, other church members, if you need to for various reasons. So hopefully you've had success logging on and getting a password for your account. You should have received an email which contained links to do that. Hopefully that's been successful for you. When you come to the main login screen under Helensburgh Stanwell Park Anglican at elvanto.com.au, the software we're using for our account, then this is the screen that you should see, and you'll need to input your username or your email. I'm going to input my email, and it's got the drop down there, so I'll put that into the system, and I'll put my password in underneath it, which I've chosen previously, and then I'll make sure that I'm logging into, under this drop down menu, the members area, and I'll press login in a second. As you can see here, you can log in various ways. You can log in via your Facebook account, a Google account, or an email or username, and if you've forgotten your password, you just click there and it will send you via an email a link to redo or reset your password. So anyway, I'm going to log in. And this is where I come to the home screen for the members area, and as you look at the home screen, you'll see a number of different things which you can take the time on your own to explore. The first thing, details here on the front page, are just members directory information, just outlining some of the purposes that you would use the members directory and those which you wouldn't for it. So we don't want to misuse the information. Take a good read of that when you have a chance. We don't want to misuse the information. We want to use it for connecting people in various ways. So have a bit of a read of that as well. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is check or update our personal details. So let's do that. Over here on the top right hand corner of the screen, you'll see a little icon with my name and also a picture of me there. If you go across to that and hover over it, then a drop down menu will drop down, funnily enough, and you'll need to go to Profile. So select Profile, and here you have your personal information. So this is where you need to go through and check that everything is in order and that everything is up to date. So you check your first name, your last name, your email address. My email address is correct. My phone numbers are correct. I just have a mobile, so there they are. My date of birth is correct. Excellent. Just take note of that date of birth so you know when to send me some presents. Anyway, there's details correct. Then I'll scroll down and have a look at my mailing address. Nothing's in there at the moment, so I'll need to update that. My mailing address is 7 Wild Road, Helensburgh. That's correct. Now I want to change that because I want to actually include capitals in the first words there, and I also want to include it over here as well. So include it in both. If you have a different postal address or mailing address to your home address, then include that as well. Make sure that's all correct. 7 Wild Road, Helensburgh, New South Wales, postcode 2508, and country is Australia. As I flick down, country Australia, the correct time zone, and you don't need to worry about anything else on the page. But what you do need to do is, if you've made any changes, you need to make sure that you save those. Otherwise, they will not update on the system. So, profile saved successfully. Fantastic. There we go. Let's have a look. Yes, my new address has saved fantastically well. Okay, great. So, you need to go through and do that with your personal information. Check it off and update it if you need to. Okay, we are going to now have a bit of a look at how to access the members directory, and you can see on the top row here there's a list of different things, and one of those is the members directory. So if you select on the members directory, you'll see there's a search bar that you can search for things, and there's also a different view that you might have in individuals or families. So we'll select individuals. Now your view should contain a whole list of people in this space here, starting at A and working its way through the alphabet, which you'll be able to just cycle through those. Mine doesn't have that at the moment, but I'm going to search for guest speaker. Okay, here's guest speaker. And it doesn't tell me much about the guest speaker, but if I wanted to find out more, I just select the guest speaker, and then this would provide me with more details. It's from first name, family members, full address, and then if I scroll down, I'll find out an email address and a contact phone number as well. So hopefully that's helpful in helping us and you locate different people. So their details on there. Hopefully that's very helpful. If for some reason you didn't want something included in the members directory, you could quickly alter that by just going up to your profile again at the top there and just altering the privacy settings there and changing those if you wanted to. So there we go. Hopefully that's helpful. But the main things are to make sure you update your personal details and check those, and also that you can have access to the members directory as well. That's fantastic. All right, thanks. Hopefully that's helpful. If you've got any other questions, you can contact me directly. Thanks.